Give me your best dance move. That's awful. This is not a Russian roulette dance.
It's an Irish jig. Know your culture.
We've gotten a lot done since the last time we came out here. Michael and Josh have been coming out here throughout the week to finish up the frame. It is shiny, it is new. It does not look like a 50-year-old frame. I'm a little glad that I missed the painting because they use this stuff called POR 15. And for those of you who don't know, you would literally have to sand your skin off to get it off if it got on you. So I was not here for that. It got a little messy and it would have gotten on me. It's fine that I missed that. Now the fun really began. We're excited to show you guys. Let's go in and check it out.
We're gonna start with the gas tank and work on how we're gonna get it braced.
Set the steering back on.
We're gonna do our little shop manufacturing rear brake disc conversion.
And then just start bending lines and hopefully get it on before we get the engine in.
I don't know where we're supposed to mount the fuel tank. There's nowhere to mount it to.
It's gonna sit in the rails, but we need another cross member to
We might
lock
have
her
to
down.
use one of the other cross members.
It's gonna be a
in
custom
front.
situation.
We're not for sure.
Well, I guess we're gonna figure it out.
Or we're gonna get some square tubing.
It's gonna be custom.
So the goal today is we've got to get this somehow mounted in there. We found these straps and we think they're gonna work.
1979-ish 40-gallon tank for a Suburban straps. They're actually 43 inches long, they're supposed to be. So we can make that with a piece of angle iron work.
It is terrifying to think this is the only thing holding that up. These little flimsy straps. Fuel cell is going in. So right now this rebar here is just sitting on it. So Josh has to go in and drill and bolt it in. Moment of truth.
We're kind of just
It worked! This is custom at its finest. Before we got drum brakes. We're replacing with a 4-wheel disc brake system.
From
The Little Shop.
so we're actually just doing the rears because our front on this frame came with disc. So we're gonna do the rear disc brake conversion because these are nice and crusty. And we're gonna leave them in their natural state and go ahead and
Will someone buy
upgrade.
these?
No ma'am.
Why?
Why do
Taylor
you think-
Sanders?
Clark salvage.
Even Taylor Sanders has 4-wheel disc brakes.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's where we're at.
So we can't get these off unless we take this off. And they're off. Josh is hard at work installing our new brake lines.
Now you can.
How beautiful that looks.
It's a lot better than the old rusted ones.
Oh yeah. Why do you keep putting it on the steering?
I don't want to pick it up.
I'll pick it up. I'm no sissy la.
You think that?
All right, we added the power steering on. We did have to add these shackles here because if you notice in my car it sits like this where the back end is hanging up high, so hopefully these will make the back end sit a little bit better and it'll be straight as an arrow, hopefully. Or either that or my husband, who loves to slam his trucks, is pulling a fast one over on me, and I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
It'll be on the ground before the morning.
Josh wouldn't do that to me, would you, Josh?
No, I wouldn't.
Josh has a conscience.
Wouldn't let it get squatted either.
So it is getting late. We've done a lot today. Let me give you a little end of day update. All the, well, not all, but most of the brake line through. We added the power steering up here. We did the rear disc conversion kit in the back. We said we're gonna order new rotors, so those are on the way. We have bought new bolts, so we're going through rebolting everything. These are brand new motor mounts. So we put these back on. As we took the bolts out of leaf springs, we're replacing these bolts. Here's another tip. We went all over Middle Tennessee looking for freaking bolts. We went to Home Depot, we went to Lowe's. We ended up ordering some on Amazon, but today we were out and about. If you need bolts same day, word to the wise, Tractor Supply. Do not sleep on Tractor Supply. They also have dogs in there when you go and chickens, so it's fun and you get what you need. We got the goods. And if you work at a Lowe's or Home Depot, please get your together.
I decided I wanted to go ahead and put on some new rotors. We're going to do inner and outer bearings and a seal. So we're pulling this thing apart right now. That's heavy.
Wow! Ew.
Already fell. Packed.
Get away, it's too dangerous. Follow me, I will show you the light.
Ooh. Oh. Should have enough grease.
Yep.
This one's packed, I would say.
There is a little tab right there. Make sure it goes on there. This shouldn't be a forced kind of thing.
Don't you wanna know what I'd like to show?
How many Ugga Duggas?
Yeah, do not ugga-dugga these. It is not what you want to do.
Is it illegal or frowned upon?
It is frowned upon and will not get you far in life or down the road.
On the side of the road, maybe.
On the side of the road, you might get a new friend at a tow truck company. Tighten it up
That was an Ugga Dugga.
really good.
That was definitely an Ugga
Get it
Dugga.
ugga-dugga,
Where's our pin?
then back it off. Turn it till you start feeling a little bit of tension. Might be a little too much. Well, what you want to do is set that on that spindle really good. When you feel a little bit of tension, stop, put your pin in. You have the Carter pin. It does not have to be in, because ours are actually deeper.
Does it have to be replaced or not necessarily?
You can reuse it. It is,
As long as it's not bent all to hell.
they're,
That went in much easier than it came
it's
out.
like $5 for a kit at Harbor Freight, so it's not a bad idea to replace it.
Get away from the deadbeat. Follow me, I will show you the
So I think we're gonna call it a night. You boys tired? Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you guys next time.